everybody, and welcome. Shut up. It's Dizzy Lad here, back with another video. So today we're doing some stuff around.
What the heck? I walk around town with my birdie pack.
Doing stuff. So look at this. Is that better? No. So we're doing a vlog, aren't we, Josh? Both of us.
Yo.
He's just like, yo. That's some dick.
As well, guys, if you do know what it is, slightly hunting for this ghost because he's really going around about this guy the 19
Who's called Anna.
And he's called Michael ID or something. And we'll stop recording and doing my vlog. Record your vlog.
I have more subs than you.
Jamie, because you've been on since September. I've been on 3 months. I've been on 1 month. You've been on like nearly a year.
A year, Josh. A year. I started in September, November, December. 4 months I've been on. And you've been on for 2. It's only 2 months difference.
So that's alright, I was saying,
He's thinking he's all hard. Alright guys, so we're going to walk around the path. Walking down the yellow brick road. Walking down the yellow brick road. Walking down the
I'll walk around town with my phone pack.
One step, 2 step. I want to take a challenge. So there's a section of rocks here, and we have to take 1 step per thing. So I'm stood on a rock now. As you can see, the camera's going to go wobbly. Just got it.
3. That's a 3.
I'm on the second step. Milo.
Come on, Milo. Now it's gone into the automatic mode where we decide
Well, I failed that. Guys, do you? So do you know what the heck these are?
check my channel out.
They're like,
My channel out.
Alex, go away. Your last upload was like a year ago. So I got this. That's what I chucked before.
Are we going to the bridge?
Are we?
No.
We're not allowed there, are we? You're not.
Well, we are. We're allowed to go to the woman.
Are you using the ghost detector thingy?
Because I'm recording as well.
How are we going to use it then?
I don't know.
Ah!
Yeah. I
Ah!
did say Bluetooth it to me, but you said no, you can't. It just come up with you, even though it wouldn't. We're going to the hill, aren't we? Hello.
Car wash! Car wash!
Yeah, you see the car washes everywhere. You see.
Alex is doing a sing-off. Go on, Alex.
No, wait. I should not be doing a sing talent because you missed Britain's Got Talent.
Oh. We're such whores.
You missed Britain's Got
No,
Talent.
what are you doing?
I'm sorting it out. You missed Britain's Got Talent. Wait.
Why have you faffed about with the lead?
I'm not faffed about with the lead. It just came off. It just literally. I was walking la-di-da-da.
What?
We can go down there.
Well, somehow. Where did you go from? Where did you go? Actually, just go and kill yourself. Well, it's a bit too short.
Where did you go?
Put it how I put it.
Okay, I'll put it how you put it. First dog in a.
How was that short?
First dog in a video.
There's been a lot of dogs in a lot of YouTube videos, Alex.
I've got like 5 subscribers.
More subs. J. Ollie store.
I hope anybody comes. Ali.
He's busting legs. That was a good video. Watch it. Always gotta be great. Click his page if you want to see more subs. Jay Aliasto, UK man. He's up and down on you because you know he's Mr. One Head Wonder of the name of Seagap. Take it from me. Because nobody beats Ollie White TV having a good time. He doesn't need luck. Every single video got a great thumbs up. Yay! He's jealous.
Why are you wearing headphones? Why would I be jealous that you can't even see? I'm still jealous.
I can't. I nearly murdered a dog. So guys, they think they're all hard, thinking that they can run, but they cannot. That was going to be like a loner and a stand there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, look at this view. We're going to go on an adventure.
What the heck are you doing?
Ah! We're on an adventure in the forest. So there's a little path here. So there's a little path, if you can see. Going on a little adventure together. Whoa! I'm trying not to fall in, or else I'll literally die. I'll probably like faint and probably kill myself. I've confused everyone down there. I've just confused them all. So, in the summer, we might do a vlog about us going in there and probably dying. No. So, we're in the forest. Ah!
Shit.
We're like monkeys.
Oh my god.
What?
Andrew just made it. I made that. I made it.
It's easy. It's got more subs. Alright, okay. In other words, shut the F up. No, oh, I'm stuck between a tree. Where? Somebody's died!
Somebody's died. And then decayed.
They've dissolved. Do 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 do.
Milo. Hello. Milo. Milo.
I can't even get past this bit. Ah! We're going on a trip.
A couple of weeks. Oh, this would have all been water. That would have all been water.
Skid, I'm in the sand. I'm in sand, guys. It's like a beach. Oh, shitty ass. Oh, shitty asshole.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Red thing moving in the water.
So, right, guys, this is a bad idea.
Not a bad idea. No, I've got two.
Well, you're not filming, are you? Ah, for God's sake, go away! Ugh. Oh, shitty asshole. Josh! Josh has turned away from me and dead. Josh has died. I need to go back and edit this video. Ah, for fuck's sake! I can see you, Josh! Oh, for... Ah! So guys, they think it's funny to run away from me, but I don't give a shit. So easily be able to catch up with like a legitimate boss. They're all hard. Oh shitty. The biggest place to run away from me. You'll never get away with this!
Andrew, you can take my scooter.
Oh, we've got a dead person. Have you done Josh?
Yeah.
We'll do a ghost hunt now.
Yeah, I'll do it on your channel, tell you that. What? Right. Are we taking Milo back? Start the video. Right.
Right, guys, so we'll do a ghost now.
I'll walk it for you. This is the radar. We're going to be searching. We're going to be searching for them. I'll tell you when a dot appears.
Oh, you have to talk to him.
What?
You have to talk to him.
I think. Why are you saying are you loud?
I mean, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Ask him what the name is.
Yeah.
Ask him what the name is.
Do it. We probably need somewhere dark. Go in there. Go in there.
That's barely dark, and plus it's all wet. Right, so guys, we can ask the ghost questions.
We have a microphone on here that can kind of like talk to it.
Right, okay, so when a dot appears, we can talk to it and do stuff.
So yeah, guys.
Total bad.
Oh God! There's actually one near, guys. Denounce. Denounce. Damage.
Damage.
Are you gonna kill us?
Right, guys, we've censored one that's right near us.
Are you gonna kill us?
What does it say? Recession.
Are you gonna kill us? What is your name? That says a P.
Is that P or O?
Possession, I think. Are you gonna kill us?
Alright, guys, so.
That's a bit weird. I think it's gone off the radio.
You're just standing there.
Oh, you!
So, found a lot of wussies.
So, guys, it was like right next to us. That is total madness.
It is.
I'm like so scared right now.
I'm really scared.
Milo?
What's going to happen to us? Dun, dun,
Did your
dun.
dad say no?
Huh?
There's one here.
Did your dad say no?
Father.
It's someone's.
It's the same father.
Say father.
What do you mean by father?
What did it come up with?
Why are you saying father?
He's just asking, why are you saying father? See if it's one of our. What do you want?
What do you want, niggas?
You just swore on the channel. Foot.
It's a foot.
It's the foot's father, apparently.
Sympathy. It says sympathy.
So it's sympathy.
Do you want to kill us?
Do you want to kill us? He just asked. Let's see what he.
Do you want to kill us? Are you going to kill us? Wait, the radar says
It's right near.
it says 10.
It's right near us.
10, I think that was
Sugar me. Get off.
What was that?
I just felt something touch me.
You feel something colder than you've ever felt.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just
Did you feel that then?
This morning, oh my God! Guys, look! Can't you see that blue dot? It's like literally there. Guys, I moved. There's a ghost right in front of you.
I don't think they believe.
actually on the ghost detector as well.
S-H-I-T.
Are you gonna kill us?
Shit, there's a voice over there saying, "You're brutes." Did you hear that? Did you hear that as well?
Yeah, it's right.
Ghost, are you gonna kill us? Please go away out of our presence. We aren't here to harm you. Are you here to help? Are you in danger?
Do
How
you?
old are you? It's gone. It's gone, but it's teleported around about
Shall we take Milo back?
edge.
Edge. Oh, it's at the edge of something. It's at the edge of something.
It's at the brother.
Brother. No one's brother's dead, are they?
You can't post it because it's over 15 minutes.
I'll verify my account. Brother.
What does it mean by brother?
Brother. Well, let's take Milo back.
I know what it means. His brother jumped off the edge.
His brother jumped off the edge. Of what though?
So he decided to go off the edge as well. Smell.
Smell.
It says it smells. It knows that we're on the right track.
Run. Shall we run?
Yeah, what does smell mean?
What does that?
Smell. Yeah, he's innocent. It means that his brother jumped off the
White.
edge. Yeah. What he's trying to explain is his brother jumped off the edge of something, so he decided to jump off the edge. All blood was around, and it smelled, and he turned white. And it's not a he.
Go away.
It's a female. Go away.
So her brother.
Her brother. So it's a her.
Right, let's go take Milo back.
Artillery.
So I think
Artillery.
I know what that means.
What?
I think it means. Oh no, artillery means some kind of combat.
I know what an itinerary is. Wait! It must have been in combat. Yeah, we know you're a female. He must have been in combat. He must have been
In the war.
For the war, and he must have jumped off the edge of something, and and there was blood everywhere, and her decided to jump off the edge, and
she.
Why?
She's
Following up the pictures.
I know. The people at the war camps listed people who died.
yeah. Little crack in this.
So making
Ask what's the name?
Gorilla.
That's a war thing because there's Red Faction Guerrilla, that's spelt like that, which is a game about war. So
Yeah.
it's a.
Tree. It's a tree. It's a tree. What does it mean by that?
She must have died. She must have
Jumped off a tree.
She might. Yeah. Right, Milo, come on. I just need to take Milo back. Right. Okay.
Jimmy says never. He's never.
Never seen anyone else since then.
Never.
Is it following us? Check if it's following us.
No ghosts on the radar. Never.
So if once we've worked out the name, and then we can Google it.
Never.
I'll never forget you. You'll always be by my side till the day I die. Hang on a sec, guys. Just wait a sec.
Jimmy says never. He says worse.
Ah! Mum! Here! I can't. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in a bit.